Are you ready to witness the future? Because what I'm about to show you isn't just a list of cars, it's a glimpse into a world of innovation, power, and elegance. From groundbreaking electric marvels to luxury vehicles that redefine opulence, these upcoming cars are set to take the world by storm. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because the last one on this list might just blow your mind. Every year, the automotive industry evolves, but 2025 is gearing up to be a year unlike any other. We're standing on the edge of a revolution, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled design. The cars I'm about to introduce to you aren't just modes of transportation, they're works of art, engineering masterpieces, and symbols of the future. Whether you're a hardcore car enthusiast, someone who loves luxury, or simply curious about what's next, this video will captivate you from start to finish. Let's dive into the most attractive upcoming cars you need to watch out for. First on our list are the electric vehicles that are setting a new standard for sustainability and performance. Electric cars are no longer just about going green, they're about delivering an experience like no other. Let me start with the Tesla Model 3 Highland. Tesla, the trailblazer of the EV world, is bringing us a refreshed Model 3 with sharper aesthetics, improved range, and a futuristic cabin that will make you feel like you've stepped into another era. This car isn't just for Tesla fans, it's for anyone who craves innovation. And it's not just Tesla. Lucid Motors is set to redefine luxury EVs with the Lucid Air Sapphire, a car that combines jaw-dropping performance with unmatched elegance. Think of it as a spaceship on wheels, boasting over 1,200 horsepower and a range that leaves competitors in the dust. But if you're looking for a more approachable option, keep an eye on the Hyundai Ioniq 7. This isn't just an electric SUV, it's a family-friendly powerhouse with advanced AI features, a spacious interior, and a design that screams sophistication. Now, let's talk about hypercars. These are the vehicles that make your heart race and your jaw drop. The Ferrari Purosangue Hybrid is set to make waves. Yes, Ferrari is diving into hybrid technology, and they're doing it in style. This isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering with a hybrid powertrain that delivers both performance and sustainability. And then there's the Porsche Mission X, an all-electric hypercar that's designed to break records. With its futuristic design and unmatched performance metrics, this car isn't just about speed, it's about redefining what's possible in the automotive world. If exclusivity is what you crave, look no further than the Koenigsegg Gemera. Dubbed the world's first Mega GT, this four-seater hypercar combines insane speed with practicality. Imagine taking your friends or family along for a ride in a car that can hit over 250 miles per hour. Sounds like a dream, right? Sedans may seem old school to some, but the upcoming models are proving that they still have a place in the future. The Audi A6 e-tron is a shining example of this. With its sleek design, impressive electric range, and cutting-edge tech, this sedan is a perfect blend of style and substance. Meanwhile, the Genesis G90 is redefining luxury. With features like autonomous driving capabilities, ultra-luxurious interiors, and a design that rivals the most expensive cars on the market, this sedan is a game-changer. And let's not forget the Polestar 5, a car that perfectly balances sustainability with performance. Polestar is quickly becoming a leader in the EV market, and the Polestar 5 is a testament to their innovation. Concept cars often feel like dreams, but some are finally becoming a reality. Take the Cadillac Celestiq, for example. This ultra-luxury EV sedan is handcrafted and completely customizable, making it one of the most exclusive cars on the planet. Then there's the Sony Honda Afeela, a car born out of an unexpected collaboration. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a tech hub on wheels, packed with advanced AI, AR features, and even PlayStation integration. And who could ignore the Apple Car, a project shrouded in mystery but loaded with hype? While details are still under wraps, rumors suggest this car could revolutionize the industry with autonomous driving, seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem, and a minimalist design that's quintessentially Apple. So, which car takes the crown as the most attractive of 2025? Well, it depends on what you value most. If you want cutting-edge tech and the ultimate EV experience, the Tesla Model 3 Refresh is your go-to. For those who prioritize luxury and driving dynamics, the BMW i5 is in a league of its own. Families seeking space, functionality, and eco-friendliness will fall in love with the Kia EV9. And if you crave the thrill of a muscle car with a modern twist, the Mustang Mach-E will have your heart. But here's the truth, all these cars are winners in their own way. They represent the future of driving, where style, innovation, and performance come together like never before. So, there you have it, the most attractive upcoming cars to watch out for. From electric vehicles that redefine efficiency to hypercars that shatter performance records, these cars are shaping the future in ways we could only imagine a few years ago. Which one of these cars caught your eye the most? Let me know in the comments, because the future of driving is something we should all be excited about. And remember, this is just the beginning. The automotive world is evolving faster than ever, and the best is yet to come. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the latest updates about the cars that are changing the game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This script is designed to keep viewers engaged, with each segment building anticipation for the next.